Hey there, it's Dustin over here at Jeff Perry Buick GMC. Just wanted to give you a quick look. This 08 Avalanche. It is Z71, 5.3 liter V8. Very nice shape. Z71 Avalanches are kind of a rare thing. Black in color. The special interior. Kind of a mocha insert here. Adjustable foot pedals, rear park assist, traction control, dual climate control, auxiliary port, CD player, steering wheel controls, heated seats, power mirrors, sunroof, heated passenger seat. In the back, you've got your plug-ins for headphones for the kids. Glass comes down, and the seats fold up, so you can have a full bed. All the great Avalanche features. The storage inside there. Nice and clean. I hope you enjoyed the quick look at the Avalanche. If you have any questions whatsoever, please give me a call at 815-993-6140. Thanks so much. Have a great day.